Hey everyone, welcome back to another Sunday reset routine. Today I am taking you guys to the farmer's market. Later on in this video, I have some laundry to do, random cleaning, and I also got a huge order from Walmart.com. So thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring this video. I can't believe I'm already saying this, but school is already right around the corner. And since we have one more vacation plan right before the kids start school, I wanted to get everything done ahead of time. I was able to go on Walmart.com and get everything I needed in like 5 minutes. We have one going to middle school and one going to third grade. My middle schooler is the only one with a school supply list. My little one, they like to give them their school supply list when they start school, so I didn't have to worry about that right now. And honestly, shopping for school supplies on Walmart.com is so easy. You can filter it through grade and everything is pretty much laid out. If you want to pick it up, you can pick it up same day depending on what time you order. And if you do delivery, you can get it in as little as 1 hour. So here's everything that I ordered for my 6th grader. I got hand sanitizer, magic erasers, and pastel color copy paper. Those were just on the teacher's wish list. And then other things that he needed were his calculator, glue sticks, highlighters, pencils, pens, a couple folders. He actually needs more than that. We already have some, so I only needed 2 more. Also, they needed headphones or earbuds with a cord. So of course, Walmart had plenty of affordable options. I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. So one thing about having all boys in the house is that they eat more all the time, and we love our air fryer. Wanted to upgrade to the larger one. I have the same exact one in the 3-quart. This is a 9-quart air fryer, which allows you to cook 2 things 2 different ways at the same time. This is going to serve us well during the school year because the kids can use this for breakfast depending on what they have. I can cook their lunches in here before I pack them for school. Quick dinners are a must during the school year because of extracurricular activities, sports, clubs, things like that. We are always on the go, so having an air fryer to cook really quick dinners is a must-have. Just like the 3-quart, this has the touch activated display, but just with more options. Another lifesaver to have during the school year on busy weekdays is a crock pot. I've had mine for about 13 years. It's time to upgrade, so I got this one in the color taupe. I could not pass up that color, even though all of my other appliances in this line are white, but they have a ton of other colors to choose from, and this is on its way to my house as we speak, and I cannot wait to start using it. Last but not least, I could not pass up getting this beautiful scalloped wicker tray. Love a scalloped detail, and I love that I can just put this anywhere in my home. It's going straight to the office to corral all of the kids' homework essentials. Once again, thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring this portion of my video. Be sure to check the description box down below where I will have all the links to all of my back to school essentials. Moving on to some laundry motivation for you guys. I'm throwing in a load of whites, and I wanted to show you guys the stains on the kids' brand new shirts from the cruise. But I am showing you guys this because I've been using this Tide Rescue stain remover for the past couple months, and it is so good. If you haven't used this, I highly recommend it. And you're supposed to spray it on and let it sit, but I've just been spraying it on and then just throwing it right in the washing machine, and the stains just magically disappear. Definitely a must-have. I'm going to throw in a little bit of Clorox as well, and then put it on whites and let it go. Alright, it's the next day, and as you can see, I've been doing laundry. Let me put you on to this little duo that will have your laundry smelling so good for such a long time. So you're going to get the Downy Rinse and Refresh Fabric Rinse in the scent Cool Cotton, and then the Downy Light Scent Beads. It has to be the light one, and then you just pair that with your favorite laundry detergent. I'm using Tide right now, but I think I'm going to switch to Gain my next go around because I love the way Gain smells. But anyway, all 3 of those things put together in your laundry smells so good. It'll have your whole laundry room smelling good. If you try this, let me know. I had some clothes laying out to dry from earlier today, so I am just trying to make space because some dried faster than others because some of the clothes were overlapping. So I'm just making space, getting the ones that are dried out, and then I am going to take all of my dried clothes out of the dryer and move them to the table, fold them, and put it away. Alright, it's time for me to check in with you guys about my content and what you guys want to see on my channel. Let me know down in the comments. Let's talk about it. I know you guys love my Sunday reset routines and cleaning videos, but I would love to know what your thoughts are and what kind of videos and content you want to see on my channel in addition to the videos that I already make. Let's talk about it down below. Alright guys, the laundry is done. I'm gonna move on to the kitchen. I am gonna be putting the clean dishes away. I am gonna hit the cabinets with some warm water, just wiping them down really quick, clean off the countertops, and just remove some things from the steps. Not gonna be talking too much during this portion of the video, so if you're cleaning along with me, this is the perfect time to get something done.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury.
saw you coming at me. Somebody that I used to know, somehow you're my enemy. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Ooh, without you, without you, without you, without you. Left hand feels so heavy, anchored to your memory. Ravage through my brain, oh, loose in the china shop. It goes non-stop. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Ooh, without you, without you, without you, without you, without you, without you, without you.
All right, that's it for my kitchen. Now we're gonna move on to the farmer's market. I told you guys a few videos back when I shared things that we got from the farmer's market that I was gonna try to get some footage the next time I went. So I'm gonna be showing you guys footage for the rest of the video and then have a little haul at the end. The farmer's market in our town has quickly become one of our favorite things to do on Monday nights. They only have it Monday nights from like 4 to 8. They have pretty much everything you can think of out there from local vendors. It's always just a fun little family outing for us, and we always end up coming home with some really good stuff. Picked up some colorful carrots, some squash, zucchini. We went to a little bakery vendor that had these huge cookies and brownies, so we got that. We also got some freeze-dried candies, purple and white cauliflower, goat milk soap for Blake who has eczema. We're gonna try that out. There was a vendor who sold these really cute potted plants, so we got a couple of those. Then we went to this butcher that does only Wagyu meat, so we got some steaks and Wagyu burgers. I'm really excited about these heirloom tomatoes. I got 4 different types. I've never seen purple peppers like this, so I got 2 of those, a yellow one and 2 green ones. And then I got 2 bags of mushrooms. I'm not sure why I didn't show that. And then blueberries. And my favorite thing is this loaf of sourdough bread. And that's it for my haul from the farmer's market. Let me know down below if you like a little mix of content like this, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of like daily life. That's it for this video though. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys on the next one.